Namaste to all dear yoga lovers friends. In this video today I am going to tell you about very good pose of yoga, and that is Chakrasana in Sanskrit, and in English you can say it wheel pose. In this posture we make an arc from our spine and our body looks like a wheel. That is why this is called wheel pose. This pose is very beneficial for our whole body. I will tell you all the benefits and precautions of this yogasana, but before this, let's see how we will practice this chakrasana or wheel pose. For this, we will go on the yoga mat. As I have told you already that this is a backward bending asana, so your spine should be flexible. If there is no flexibility in your spine, then you cannot practice this chakrasana or wheel pose. So first make your spine flexible by several other practices like warm-up exercise or cobra pose, cloud pose, Ustrasana. These preparatory poses will make your spine flexible, and only then you can practice this Chakrasana. So let's see how we practice. For practicing Chakrasana, lie down on your back. Keep your body relaxed. Bend your leg, and there should be a distance of at least 30 centimeter in your knees and in your feet. In your both feet and knees there should be a distance of 30 centimeter. It will help you to make balance your body. The position of hand is important. Let's see. Place your palm beside your head and the finger should be pointing to the shoulder. Now you are prepared for practicing Chakrasana. The breathing system, the breathing process is also important. You have to breathe in while in this position, and holding, retaining the breath inside. You have to lift your body, and when you are in final position, then you can either hold the breath or you can breathe in and breathe out. Now first I have taken a deep and long slow breath. Now you have to lift your back so that the weight of the lower body should be on your head and shoulder. Now giving a pressure on the ground from your palm, lift your upper body slowly and slowly. Make an arc from your spine. There. Make an arch from your spine. Now straighten your hand and leg. You can move closer to your leg. This is wheel pose. In this position, if you stay for longer duration, then you can breathe in and breathe out. But if you cannot stay in this position for longer time, then hold the breath and come down slowly and slowly. Relax in this position for comfortable time. Remember, your head should be free and between your arms. The head should be hanging like this. Feel the backward bending of your spine, the stretching of your abdomen. Hold the position for a comfortable period of time, then come back slowly. There should be no hurry in this position. Relax your body. This is Chakrasana or heel pose. This is a backward bending asana. So after performing this pose, you must practice a forward bending pose. I am going to practice forward bending pose This is Asana, rabbit pose, a hare pose, like this. Sit in thunderbolt pose, Vajrasana, and move your hand so that your spine should bend forward. Relax in this position for the half time of the time given to the chakras. If you have practiced Chakrasana for 30 seconds, then practice for 15 seconds this hare pose. Come back. In yoga, this is necessary to practice to make the counter pose after practicing. If you are practicing a backward bending pose, then you should practice a forward bending pose. And if you are practicing any forward bending pose, then you should practice forward bending pose to make the muscles encounter the tension and pressure. So friends, this was Chakrasana. You see that when you practice Chakrasana, there is a arch from your spine and your whole body is stretched. This Chakrasana is very good for the whole body. You see the stretching from your toes to your head. This is good for abdominal muscles, so all the abdominal organs get stretched, and when you come down in relaxed position, they are contracted, they are in relaxed position. So this is good for the abdominal organs, and it improves digestion. If there is any problem in digestive problem, if the digestion process is slow, then this pose can give lot of benefit to it. This is very much beneficial for our respiratory system. Our lungs become stronger. And when you practice this pose, the nervous system comes in a balanced state. You know that many nerves emerge from the spine, from the back side, through the whole spine. So you give a tension, and when you come in the relaxed position, the muscles get relaxed. So this is smooth compression and decompression, stretching and de-stretching benefit the nervous system. The whole nervous system become balanced and calm. You feel relaxed after practicing this pose. This pose is also very beneficial for circulatory system also. You know that all the arteries and veins are stretched. So for few seconds, for few time in this practice, the circulation is fast, and regular practice makes the toxins of the body come out, so it purifies our blood also. There is a glow on your face after the regular practice of this Chakrasana. It has been also seen that the hormonal secretions in the body is also in a balanced way when you practice this pose. So we see that this Chakrasana or Cobra pose makes our body strong. All the muscles of our body, when we see that the muscles of legs get stretched, and in hands also there is a stretching, the thoracic muscles which get stretched, and there is a contraction of the back muscles. So all the muscles get stronger. If you feel stronger and stronger. There is some precautions also. If anybody is suffering from high blood pressure, heart problem, or peptic ulcer, gastric ulcer, or hernia, then they should practice in the guidance of any expert yoga guru. Otherwise, if you are healthy, if you have stamina, if your spine is flexible, then you should practice this Chakrasana. So we have seen that this Chakrasana is very good for our spine, for our nervous system, for our abdominal system, our gastric system, for the respiratory system and circulatory system. The whole body is charged, and if you want to look younger and energetic, then you should practice this Chakrasana in your daily yoga routine. So friends, in next video we will talk about any other yoga pose. Till then, wish you good health. Thank you. Namaste.